Hi everybody, it's Diana with stampingwithdi.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays, episode 201. I can't believe it, 201. So this is going to be usually where I come and share my goodies and the guts for the current month. And so that's still what we're going to be doing today. But I usually, this month's different, right? It's a Christmas month, and I'm cleaning my studio. So I'm going to, instead of do like I usually have 3 projects and all that good stuff and all that stuff. This is going to be like a mystery goodies and guts. So what I've got, when I was going through my studio, I have a bunch of past goodies and guts. So what I'm going to do, if you earn, goodies and guts just like normal. So if you spend $75 before tax and shipping in my store, you earn goodies and guts. So if you are new to me, to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. And you know how this goes. So in case this is the first time you've been here, my name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So what I do each month is I have my country incentives, and I just call them goodies and guts. I know, that's just weird. I like things to start with the same initial. I'm just kind of weird like that. So anyway, so goodies are usually an embellishment of some sort. Could be ribbons, could be bling. So like I said, I was going through my studio while I'm tidying up, doing all that end of the year stuff, and I have, excuse me, tons of blings, ribbons, things like that. So what I'm going to do is you're going to get a mystery. Now you might get ribbon, you might get bling, you might get, what other embellishments do we have? It's going to be a surprise. So you still want to let me know, right, if you want goodies or guts. And then in regards to the guts, if you are new, guts are like a free class each month. So like this is I can't see what month it is because I have the ribbon in the way. It looks like June. So I have an extra June. So if you go, oh, I want the guts. So then when I send you your thank you card, you would get your guts packet and your thank you card. And then in here it tells like where the video is. There's a little link. And then it would take you to that video, and then you would have, the supplies that you would need for to make that. Now I will try, if you have gotten like guts before, unless you don't care. Like if you I don't care if I have a repeat, because I can't promise that you won't get a repeat, but I will try to look back and see, like maybe if you got June already or something, and if I have another one to pick from. I have quite a few, so we'll see how it goes. You might get 1 embellishment, 2 embellishments, it just depends. In regards to the guts packets, it will just be 1 though, right? And so many people earn 2 each month. So they earn the goodies and the guts. So that is still the same. What will be a little bit different is usually I wait to send these after the first of the month. So I usually send my thank you cards, like for December, I would send them in January. So what will be a little bit different is if you, because you can, like I said, you can do the goodies and the guts if you order $150 before tax and shipping, because then you have earned both. If you do $75 before tax and shipping in the month, then you earn, one or the other. If I don't hear from you, I'll just send you the one of my choosing. I know this is a lot of information right at the beginning, but just because I'm changing it up a little bit. So what is different, if you have ordered $150 before tax and shipping in the month, now that can be several orders. I will send your thank you and your goodies and the guts right then. I won't wait till after, in the first week of January, because you've already earned, the 2, right? Because I never go over 2. If you have only placed 75, then I will wait till January, because I don't want to send you your thank you and your goodies or guts, because maybe you'll order again and then you will have ordered two, and then I'm sending postage twice. So postage is getting just insane price. So that is one that is a little bit different than normal, that you won't have to wait if you order that $150 before tax and shipping. Let's see, what else do I have to say? So our internet is finally back up. Oh, it took me forever to get the printer figured out. I had to reinstall stuff. I'm like, oh my gosh, and I am not a computer person, but I finally got it figured out, and I might have said a bad word here and there. But anyways, also, starting on the 5th, demonstrators can pre-order from the mini catalog that's coming in January, and we also are earning celebration. So if you've ever thought about joining my family, now is a great time, because you can add these items to your starter kit. So if that's something you would like to talk to me about, I would love to give you a chat. We can Zoom, we can do that. It's always a lot more fun if we see each other face to face. And then I can help you figure out your starter kit and all that kind of stuff. Because as a demonstrator, we always get to pre-order 1 month in advance. So we are being able to order that. We're earning celebration and all that stuff. So I will be getting that order placed, and then I will share my unboxing with you, which you all love that. And then I'll also be able to get that 3rd stamp set that you'll be getting for my virtual spring social, so I'll be able to show it to you. So I have quite a few people that have registered for my spring social, and you can switch things out. So some people already have the B suite, and then they're getting, or not a B suite, but the B bundle, the B bundle. So they are switching it out. So don't worry if you need to switch something out. You just have to pick something the same catalog value, and that's not a big deal. Sometimes I've even had people in the past, they have maybe they have a stamp set that's kind of similar, or maybe they're not really in love with that style that I picked, so they pick something different, and then they just make the projects work for the stamp set that they got. So I never want you to feel like you are stuck, getting the ones that I have chosen for my virtual spring social. You can always ask too and just say, can I switch out to this? And usually the answer is yes, as long as the price is the same. And it is USA only, because that's only where I can take orders from. Okay, so I think that I have answered it all. I hope. If not, just reach out to me, please. You can reach me on my blog. It's over here. And you can email me as well. You can also, during the the premiere, I'm off to the chat with you, so you can ask me in the chat. But if you are watching the replay, then just leave a comment down below, and then YouTube will let me know that you left a message or whatever, and then I can reach out to you as well, because I don't want you to be confused, because like I said, today I kind of was going blah blah blah, trying to explain everything. And so yeah, so I think that's all. Now that I have my printers working, I'll be able to print some stuff that I was waiting on. And we will get back to normal. Cross our fingers. I don't want to jinx myself. Knock on wood. So we will be back to normal for Friday for my Dies shorts. That will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Also, don't forget, this is the last month for the current mini catalog. Do I have it here? I do. So don't forget, this one is ending, and things are already running out. You can see the carryover list, the last chance list. Some things are up to 60% off. That ends, the end of the month, but it really ends when they run out. So if there's certain things that you have been wanting, make sure you get those very, very soon. Okay, I think that's it. So have a great night. I will see you Friday. And thanks so much for spending a little bit of time with me today. All right. Bye for now.